Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace TU College online classes. Dear students, in the previous session, we were starting discussing with the topic called as integral of some type. That is special type. Already in the last class we have discussed this particular definition, that is x square minus a square dx. Okay, this proof we had already done. And what is the formula for that? That is x by 2 root of x square minus a square. Okay, root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square minus a square. Okay, this proof already we had seen in the previous class. Dear students, today two more remaining are there that we shall discuss in this particular session. Okay students, so now let us discuss about this particular thing, that is the integral of the standard type. It is an important formula, also is important, and derivation is also important. So there are clearly up to 9 derivations. Out of these 9 derivation, one is fixed for your examination for 3 marks derivation, plus 2 will be the similar problems according to it. Simple problems will be asked here. Okay, now let us start with the problem, that is let r is equal to, let us take it as integral of x square plus a square dx. Now here what I will do is I will integrate it by parts, that is this I will take it as u and 1 as v here. Now what I will get, that is nothing but u as it is. So what we have, x square plus a square as it is, integration of 1, that is integration of u, okay, dx, minus integral of, then what we have, integration of 1, okay, then d by dx of, okay, what we have, d by or integration of 1 into d by dx of v, what it is, the root of x square plus a square, okay, dx. Now I will solve it. So what we get here, which is equal to root of x square plus a square, integration of 1 will be x, minus integration of this, integration of 1 will be x, into root of differentiation will be 1 by 2 root of x square plus a square. Root x is 1 by 2 root x. Further differentiation of x square will be 2x, a square differentiation will be 0, into what we have, dx. Here we can observe that 2 to get eliminates. What is the remaining part here? Remaining part is root of, I will write x at the beginning, x into root of x square plus a square minus integration of x square divided by x square plus a square into dx. Now here I have to add and subtract here a square. What we have to add and subtract? We have to add and subtract a square here. So what we get here, that we shall observe, that is add and subtract a square, which is equal to x into root of x square plus a square minus x square plus a square minus a square divided by root of x square plus a square into dx. Okay. Now here just I will separate the denominator, that is x square by a square by whole term divided by minus a square divided by the whole thing. I will separate it. So what we get, okay, which is equal to, okay, which is equal to x into root of x square plus a square minus integration of x square plus a square divided by root of x square plus a square dx part minus a square divided by whole thing. But here minus into minus, what will happen? It will become plus here, plus integration of a square divided by root of x square plus a square into dx. Now what happens here? Here we have x divided by root x. What is the value? That is nothing but root x here. In the same manner, this whole term divided by root of that term will be root x, that is root of x square plus a square. So which is equal to x into root of x square plus a square minus integration of root of x square plus a square dx plus a square I will take common. What is the remaining part? That is root of x square plus a square into dx. Now here this part is I here. So what we get, which is equal to x into root of x square plus a square, okay, x square plus a square minus I, okay, plus a square into integration of 1 divided by x square plus a square into dx, into dx. Now here, since what is the LHS part here, it is nothing but I only. So what we get, I is equal to x into root of x square plus a square minus I plus a square into integration of 1 divided by x square plus a square into dx. Now this term I, we can take it to the LHS. So I plus I, it becomes 2I is equal to x into root of x square plus a square, okay, plus a square into, what is the integration of this part? Already we have discussed earlier. What it is? That is nothing but log of x plus root of x square plus a square. That is the, okay, already we have discussed this particular thing because integration of 1 divided by x square plus a square is equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square. Okay, one thing. Now here 2I is there, I will divide it by 2. So I is equal to what we get here, x by 2 into root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square plus a square. Okay, so here I means what it is, integration of root of x square plus a square dx equal to x by 2 into root of x square plus a square by 2 into log of x plus root of x square plus a square. That is nothing but our required formula to find out the value for integration of x square plus a square. Very, very simple derivation it is. Now let us take a simple example related to this particular thing. If this derivation is asked in the examination, he will ask for 3 marks. Compulsory 5 marks question will be there. If 5 question ಒಳಗಡೆ, this is 3 marks plus 2 marks will be one simple problem. Simple problem is example, that is integration of root of x square plus 4 into dx. I can write it as integration of root of x square plus 2 square. X square plus a square is 2 square. Now in this formula what we have, which is equal to x by 2 into root of what we have, x square plus a square, that is x square plus 2 square, okay, plus a square by 2. A square is nothing but 4, that is 2 square by 2 log of x square plus 2 square. So here 2 to get eliminates, that thing we have to eliminate. So what we get here, plus an integral constant c we are having, which is equal to x by 2 root of x square plus 2 square plus 2 log of x plus root of x square plus 2 square plus an integral constant c here. That is your required result here. This kind of simple problem will be asked here. Now sometimes the problem may be asked like this also, that is integration of root of x square plus 2x plus 3 is there, or x square plus 2x plus 5 is there into dx. Now we have to make use of completing the squares here to solve this. Now here we can observe that x square is there, x square plus 2x term is there, that is x square plus 2x. So now middlemost part is 2x, here x square is there, that is divide by 2 we have to make x, we have to distribute in 2 types. One is 1, okay, that is x itself, always it is x square means x, okay, and first term is 1. If you got 1 means add and subtract 1 square, add and subtract 1 square plus 5, that is nothing but here x square, this whole term will be x plus 1 whole square, it will be minus 1 plus 4 plus 5, that is nothing but plus 4, okay. So here what we got, that is, which implies integration of x plus 1 whole square plus 4 root of it, okay, root of it, that is nothing but here dx. Now this is one part. The next part is, here it is nothing but here I. Now here put x plus 1 equal to t, that implies here dx equal to dt I will have. So what it becomes, integration of t square plus 4 into dt, root of it. Now directly you can apply the formula, that is instead of t, instead of x you are having that t, and 4 means I can write as 2 square whole, here 2 square, 4 it is nothing but 2 square I can write here 2 square. So what we have, x by 2, sorry it is t by 2 root of t square plus 2 square plus a square, that is nothing but 2 square by 2 log of t plus what we have, root of t square plus 4 plus an integral constant c. The last step will be applying a t is equal to what it is, x plus 1. You substitute it. So what we get, which is equal to x plus 1 by 2 root of x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square plus 2 log of x plus 1, okay, plus root of whatever it is, the same thing, okay, plus here what we have here, that is x plus 1 plus root of what we have here, that is x plus 1 whole square plus 4. That is your required result here, okay. Hold out here, okay, that is nothing but log here, okay. Dear students, that is nothing but our required result here. These kind of problems it will be asked in your examination, okay. In your examination, for how many marks here? In the examination it will be asked for 5 marks problem. Here everything will be same, log of t plus, just it is plus 4 here, whole square plus 4, okay, plus an integral constant c. That is your required result. Okay, dear students, so please pause the video to note this important derivation. Okay, dear students, now let us move on to the last property of this, okay, right. That is nothing but here integral of we are having. So now let us take it as I is equal to integration of root of a square minus x square dx. Okay, this is our I. Here also I will take this part as u, 1 as v here. Integration by parts I will do. Now what is that integration by parts here? That is nothing but integration of u into v is equal to u as it is integration of v. It is not that you have to take first as u only. It depends on the Euler formula. V as it is minus integral of integration of v into du by dx, okay, into dx here. That is your actual formula, that is u into v formula. Now here I had taken u as a square minus x square and v as 1 here. So which is equal to root of a square minus x square as it is integration of 1 is 1 dx minus integral of, okay, that is nothing but integration of 1 dx into d by dx of what it is, u. What is that u here? That is root of a square minus x square, okay, into dx. Now here what we have, which is equal to root of a square minus x square into x, integration of 1 will be x, minus here also integration of 1 is x, root differentiation is 1 by 2 root of the whole thing, that is a square minus x square. Further differentiation of a square will be 0, minus x square differentiation is 2x, okay, into dx part. Now here 0, since it is 0 minus, minus into minus it becomes plus here, 2 to get eliminates, x becomes x square, that I will write down, which is equal to x into root of a square minus x square minus integration minus into minus becomes x, 2 to get eliminates, x square divided by root of a square minus x square into dx. Now same as it is, what I will do is I will add and subtract here a square. So which is equal to x into root of a square minus x square plus integral of, okay, I will add here first a square, okay. What I can do here is I will keep that minus as it is, okay, dear students, I will keep that minus x square as it is. Instead of that minus, here also minus, that means here I will have minus sign, a square minus x square minus a square. Here a square minus x square get eliminates, minus x square will be as it is. Why I am taking like this? Because at the numerator part I am having a square minus x square, I am having a square minus x square. The same term I have to have in the numerator also. Denominator the same thing, a square minus x square. Numerator also we should have the same thing, that is a square minus x square into dx. Okay. Now what I can do here is I will split it, a square minus x square by whole thing minus a square divided by whole thing, I will split it. So what I will get, that is x into root of a square minus x square minus integration of a square minus x square divided by root of a square minus x square, minus into minus it is plus a square divided by root of a square minus x square into dx. Now here x by root x, that is root x. Here a square I will take outside, integration of 1 divided by a square minus x square, sine inverse of x by, that I will write down, which is equal to x into root of a square minus x square minus integration of root of a square minus x square dx plus a square I will take outside 1 divided by root of a square minus x square dx. This formula we had already learnt in the previous class, that is nothing but here x into a square minus x square, I will write down I is equal to, because the LHS part is I have taken it as I here, then minus of I plus a square into integration of this part is sine inverse of x by a here, plus an integral constant c you can write, or afterwards you can write. Here I take it to the LHS, that is a 2i, it becomes x into root of a square minus x square plus a square into sine inverse of x by a here. Now divide by 2, that is nothing but I is equal to x by 2 root of x square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a plus an integral constant c. That is nothing but our required result. So that implies I means integration of root of a square minus x square dx equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a plus an integral constant c here. Dear students, that is nothing but our required result. It is also in derivation, an important one asked in your examination here. Now let us look on to simple problems on this. Examples. Simple example. The first one, integration of root of 1 minus x square into dx. So here we can observe that it is nothing but a square minus x square form. A square value will be 1 here, that's all. Directly I can write down the formula, that is nothing but x into root of 1 minus x square plus a square, the value is 1 by 2 into sine inverse of, here we have x by 2 here, sine inverse of x by a. X by a means 1 plus an integral constant c. That is your required result. Okay. One more problem we shall take, very simple, that is integration of 3 minus x square into dx. Here we have to observe that 3 is given, it is not a perfect square. I can write it as integration of root 3 whole square minus x square, the whole root of it, that is a square minus x square into dx. Okay. So what we can get here, that is nothing but here x by 2, x by 2 into root of, that is 3 minus x square plus a square by 2. What is a square here? Root 3 square. Root 3 square by 2. That is nothing but 3 you can write into sine inverse of x by a. X by a value is 3 here. For that purpose, I had written here plus an integral constant c here. Root 3 is a here. Okay. That is your nothing but our required result. Here you can write it as a root 3 square means you can write it as 3 also. Okay, dear students, this is all about our, that is the third derivation. Okay, students, so till now we had learnt about the 3 main important things. Okay, that is nothing but our integration of root of x square minus a square. Okay, that is x by 2 root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 into log of what we have here, x plus root of x square minus a square, the one thing. Then integration of root of x square plus a square, that is nothing but x by 2 root of x square minus a square plus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square plus a square. Okay, these two formulas and this one. Okay, these 3 formulas are very, very important as per as your examination point of view. Okay, dear students, now let us continue with the exercise problems related to these 3 types here. Till that, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear students, now let us start with the exercise number 7.7 related to these 3 properties. So now what these 3 types of integrals we had seen, that is, one is x square minus a square is equal to x by 2 root of x square minus a square minus of a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square minus a square part, one thing. Then next one is integration of a square minus x square, that is x by 2 root of x square minus a square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a, one thing. and the last one is integration of root of x square plus a square equal to x by 2 root of x square plus a square by 2 log of what we have, x plus root of x square minus a square plus an integral constant c. These are all things which we have discussed. Now that is now let us start with the problems related to our exercise number 7.7. The first problem is very simple here, that is nothing but integration of root of that is a 9 minus x square dx. Here this particular problem I can write it as integration of root of 3 square minus x square dx. Okay, a square minus x square formula. Instead of this a here I am having here 3. That formula I shall apply here. Directly I will write down. In the examination it is better to write down the formulas also. Okay, what we have here, x by 2 into root of x square minus, okay, it is a square minus x square, okay, then plus of a square by 2. What is a square here? That is a 3 square by 2 sine inverse of x by a, okay, plus an integral constant c here. That is a required result here. Very, very simple one. Now the second problem we shall look, that is integration of root of 1 minus 4x square into dx. It is a simple problem here also. I can rewrite it as a root of 1 minus 2x whole square into dx. Now here I can put here 2x equal to t. I can put here, put 2x equal to t, that is 2 dx equal to dt. That implies here dx equal to dt divided by 2. Okay, that I will substitute. So what we get here, which is equal to integration of root of 1 minus t square dt by 2 I'm having. I can write it as, okay, which is equal to 1 by 2 integration of 1 minus t square into dt. Again the same formula, 1 by 2 into this whole term is a square minus x square. Same formula, that is, okay, x, that is a t by 2 root of 1 minus t square plus a square, that is 1 by 2 sine inverse of x by a, that is a t by a, that is 1 plus an integral constant c. Now here I will multiply it by 1 by 2, that is a t by 4. But what is the t here? T is nothing but 2x. That also I will substitute. 2x root of 1 minus 4x square plus 1 by 4, 2 2s are 4 here. Next we have sine inverse of 2x plus an integral constant c. Actually that will be c by 2, but you can write it as capital letter C here, since it is an integral constant here. That is a required result. If these problems are asked, it will be asked for 2 marks problem here. Okay, the next question, that is integration of root of x square plus 4x plus x. Integration of 4x plus x. It is a type of completing the squares. Let us solve here. That is x square plus, okay, can I write it as x square plus 4x. This 4x I will divide it by 2. 4x by 2, that is nothing but here 2 ones are 2 2s are. So what I will get here, 2x. The middlemost part divide it by 2, that's all. That is 2x I will get. This 2x, first part is x, remove here x. X into what equal to 2x, that is 2. X into 2 equal to 2x. This particular 2 I have to add and subtract here, plus 6. Now this particular thing, it is nothing but a plus b whole square, that is x plus 2 whole square. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4 plus 6, that is nothing but 2 here. Now I will substitute this value in the place of the question here. That implies here integration of root of x plus 2 whole square plus 2 into dx. Now here x square plus a square form it is. I will put here x equal to x plus 2 equal to t here. What we get here, put x plus 2 equal to t. That implies what we have, dx equal to dt. And these together I will substitute here. What we get here, integration of t square, okay, t square plus 2 I am having into dt. So now here 2 means it is nothing but root 2 whole square. Okay, a square plus x square plus a square form, x square plus a square formula I can substitute here. So what we get here, that is x by 2, that is a t by 2 root of t square plus 2 plus a square, that is nothing but here root 2 square divided by 2 into log of t plus root of the same thing, that is the t square plus 2. Now here next thing is I will substitute the t value. What is the t value? That is x plus 2, which is equal to x plus 2 by 2, okay, root of x plus 2 whole square plus 2. Again that is nothing but x square plus 4x plus 6 only, plus 2 by 2 it get eliminates, log of x plus 2, x plus 2 plus root of x square plus 2 whole square plus 2, that is nothing but x square plus, I can write it as 4x plus x, x square x plus 2 whole square plus, okay, that is 2 here. That will be our required simple and easy result, plus an integral constant c, since it is an indefinite integral here. Okay, let us move on to the next problem here. The next problem is integration of 3 minus 2x minus x square into dx. Now what I can do here is I can write as 3 minus 2x minus x square. Okay, if I take here, okay, I will rewrite it in the form of minus x square minus 2x plus 3, which is equal to minus, if I take common, that is x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, now here this term I can evaluate, which is equal to minus of x square plus 2x. Here 2x is there, I will divide it by 2 means I will get x only. X here and one part is 1 here, x remaining part will be 1. That means I have to add and subtract 1 square minus 3 remaining. What it is, minus of, here this part is x plus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 3, that is minus 4. So what we get after solving, multiplied by minus 4 minus x plus 1 whole square. Okay, that is nothing but here completing the squares form here. Okay, now let us continue with the problem here. So what we get here, which is equal to integration of root of 4 minus x plus 1 whole square dx. Now here I have to put x plus 1 equal to t, and then you can substitute, and then you can find out the answer here. So what we get, that is, okay, I will erase these formulas. Okay, the next thing is put x plus 1 equal to t, that is dx equal to dt we are having, dx equal to dt, and next afterwards you can integrate, which is equal to integration of root of, that is 2 square minus here t square into dt, 2 square minus t square into dt here. Now you can directly make use of formulas, that is a square minus x square, that is t by 2 root of 2 square minus t square plus a square by 2, that is 2 square by 2 sine inverse of x by, that is t by 2 plus an integral constant c. Now what do you mean by t here? T is nothing but x plus 1, that also I will substitute, that is x plus 1 by 2, okay, root of 2 square minus of x plus 1 whole square, or else directly you can write out the question. What is the question in the root here? That is 3 minus 2x minus x square, adunu kuda directly baribodu ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, plus of 2 sine inverse of x plus 1 divided by 2 plus an integral constant c. That is your required result. Very, very simple one. Okay students, now let us start with the last problem related to this particular exercise number, that is 7.7 here. The last question is, okay, first of all erase it. The last question will be integration of root of x square plus 3x into dx. Here this question also we have to make use of, okay, completing the squares form. Completing the square form, I will write in brackets, that is x square plus 3x. 3x divided by 2, that is 3x by 2. Okay. First thing is x. x square means that x part. Then what is the remaining part here? 3 by 2. This 3 by 2 I will add and subtract its square. Andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ plus 3 by 2 whole square minus of 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so what we get, this part it is nothing but here x plus 3 by 2, okay, whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, whole square, that is nothing but x square minus a square form. This part will be x square minus a square form. Now which is equal to integration of root of x plus 3 by 2 whole square, okay, then minus of 3 by 2 whole square, x square minus a square. Okay, now before that put x plus 3 by 2, okay, equal to t. That implies here dx equal to dt. I will get, I will substitute here integration of t square minus 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, according to the formula will be dt here, that is that t by 2 root of t square minus 3 by 2 whole square plus of a square by 2, that is 3 by 2 whole square by 2 log of t plus root of, okay, t square minus 3 by 2 whole square plus an integral constant c. Now wherever t is there, I have to substitute here t means x plus 3 by 2, that is nothing but here 3 x plus 3 by 2 by 2 root of x plus 3 by 2, okay, whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square plus of here 3 square means 9 here, 9 4 2s are, I will get 8 here, log of x plus 3 by 2 whole, okay, plus root of x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. That is nothing but our required result. Very very simple and easy example here. Okay dear students, by this here this completes your exercise number 7.7 here. In the next class we shall start with our definite integrals. Okay dear students, please pause the video to note it down. Thank you.